Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get a custom crosshair in Fortnite on your PS5. It's a simple trick that can help improve your aim and accuracy. And don't worry, it's completely safe and doesn't break any rules. So, here's the thing. Fortnite doesn't actually let you change or customize your in-game crosshair directly on console. But there are a couple of easy workarounds you can use to create your own custom crosshair effect while playing. The first option is to use a gaming monitor that has a built-in crosshair overlay feature. Many modern monitors include this. Just go into your monitor settings menu, find the option called something like crosshair overlay or game mode, and turn it on. You can usually choose from different shapes and colors depending on what helps you aim better. The second option is the classic physical method, adding a small removable dot or sticker at the center of your screen. Use something like a tiny piece of clear tape or a washable marker. Make sure it's small enough not to block your view, but still visible enough to help you line up your shots. Once you've got your crosshair in place, open Fortnite on your PS5 and adjust it if needed to make sure it aligns perfectly with your in-game aim. Try it out in creative mode first to test how it feels. And that's it! Now you've got your own custom crosshair setup for Fortnite on PS5. It's an easy and safe way to give yourself a bit more control without using any cheats or mods. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.